Welcome back to this new beautiful episode of Tech Express. Today let's go ahead and talk a little bit more about Cloud. So if you're starting a fresh chat window every single time you want to work on a big business project, a massive code base, or an extensive marketing campaign, you are doing this completely wrong. So every time you start a new conversation, the AI forgets who you are, what your brand sounds like, and what data you're working with. So you waste valuable tokens and time just getting the AI back up to speed. So we're going to be making Claude Projects. Think of this as a localized digital brain. So you had it into your guidelines to upload your documents and Cloud logs that content across thousands of separated chat sessions. So let's build one actually from scratch. The first thing to do is to focus directly into cloudy.ai. Directly inside here, I'm going to focus into my element that says projects. Now here, to get started, I hit into the element that says new project. Now hit new project into the upper right. You want to give a clear name into the description. Note that if you're on a team or an enterprise plan, you will also see privacy settings here where you can keep the product entirely private to you share it with your broader organization. So in my case, I'm going to just name this marketing. And what are you trying to achieve? So let's say, for example, we are a YouTube, or I have a YouTube channel with over 6 subscribers, and I want to reach my first 1,000 and 40k hours of watch time in less than 365 days, and I go for creative project. This is like the basics, so Cloudy understands what is your main objective in order to determine how would you like to get started. Now let's focus for the injecting the project instructions. The step 2 is the secret sauce, the project instructions. Into the section that says instructions, you go for plus. Basically here, this acts as a permanent system prompt for every single chat created inside this actual project. So here, you can set out the project instruction here. You can tell Cloud exactly how to behave. You can define your industry, set the mandatory formatting guardrails, lock into the code architecture guidelines, explicitly state forbidden words. Cloud will strictly follow the rules across every chat of the workspace without you even have to remain it. So you can paste in a structure like, for example, you are a professional, I don't know, brand. I save my instructions, and here is now the knowledge base. When you upload your data under project knowledge, you can see that usually you can enter more files, PDF, documents, other text references for this specific project. You can attach up 20 files per chat session natively. So much more at a project level. So you can drop an internal spreadsheet, customer feedback reports, brand style sheet, or full code files. So Cloud natively reads text, images, charts within the PDF. If your knowledge base approaches the native token limit, Cloudy automatically databases to background rates mode to expand capacity. So now this is the actual element for the actual paid off. When you start a chat inside this project, Cloudy instantly looks at all the instructions that uploaded the actual files. Let's say, let's make a 30 content titles for my content in YouTube videos. Evergreen, less than 5 minutes long, for example. So the beauty of the actual product is installation. You can open one chat for data crunching, a second chat for copywriting, a third chat for troubleshooting, all drawing from exact same master's data folders, but without cluttering each other chat histories. So for example, this specific chat, in my case, can be here. I'm going to go for 3 dots. I rename this, and this, for example, let's say content strategies. And I can generate a new one that focused only specifically for marketing, something else for publishing, something like that. So basically, this is how we can actually get started with these elements. If you have an older scattered chat setting in your main history that belongs here, simply just click the 3 dots next to it and select add to the project to organize that instantly. And there you go. Once your campaign launches or your code goes live, don't let it clutter your dashboard. You want to click for the options menu and click into archive. This tucks it away safely, keeping your sidebar clean, which preserves your access to the chat history whenever you need it. So some Claude projects that I can give you guys. Completely shifts how to work from AI from casual text loops for structured operation hub. So don't forget to subscribe button. Let me know in the comments below how you organize your project, and if there's something else relevant for this specific tutorial, let us know once again into the content comment below. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you once again. See you next time.